Nandito tayo sa may Mactan Beach. uh, okay, this beach is okay, for our foreigner viewers, just to let you know that this beach is part of Savoy Hotel. So when you want to come down and see this beach or visit this beach, you have to go to the front desk and ask for the pass, because if not, they will charge you when you come over, because this beach is exclusively only for Savoy Hotel guests. So see, yung mga sand, yung sand dito white oh, white sand. Yan. So the place is going to be developed, still under construction, kaya it's not that really developed yet, but it's good enough if you're not really that fussy, kung di kayo masyadong maarte. This place is good enough talaga. So kasi ako, I'm 49 already, kaya maybe hindi naman ako ganun ka masyadong ka-adventurous. Depende siguro, depende sa ano ng tao. But for me, I'm not that really maarte or that fussy. Kaya yun, I'm happy na for this place. Yan. So this video was taken July 13, 2023. Actually may bagyo nga eh, or may habagat. There's a typhoon on this date, July 23. July 13. But yun, napagbigyan tayo, lumabas ang araw. Yan. Yeah, white sand oh. Kaya hindi ko lang alam kung man-made ito or what. So by walk, kung from the hotel is like 10 to 12 minutes by walk, but they provide shuttle also. There's a timing for the shuttle. You can see it at the front desk, what time is the shuttle service. Okay, yun lang po. Enjoy everyone. God bless.